This is
Millie, what are you doing?
This is me and Millie. I want to show you something. Here you go. Oh, typical, now she needs to be on camera.
Oh no, she
Right,
wants you.
here's one. Okay.
Two.
Here you go.
It's just a little bugger, isn't she? Very. She says, oh, you can't get me down now. No, 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 no. Bugger, yes you can.
Yeah. She's sulking.
What happened?
Millie.
Mummy's over there.
Millie, come on.
This is why she doesn't go to the computer.
Looks so pleased with herself, so it gets me.
And again, oh, another soul.
Millie, don't jump. Millie. No, she wants to play.
Maybe she's looking for a Christmas present. Oh, sugar!
I fall off the bed.
You don't?
No, it's alright.
Millie, you twit.
Hiya.
I want to put the light on because you can't see your bed.
Oh, don't moan. Bink. Yeah, I know it's my head, don't it? Thank you. Oh,
Sorry.
I'll try one more time, then we'll stop. Okay? Put that closer, see what happens. Okay, there she goes. Bye. Say bye-bye. No, not to me.
Millie, bye-bye.